Hi, I'm Bob Armstrong, Senior Editor with CE Pro Magazine. And today I am with Alex Kamara from AudioControl. Alex, how are you doing today?
Oh, great to be here. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Today we're going to talk about something I think is one of the most fun parts of the entire custom install industry, and that's whole house audio. I want to talk to you about the AudioControl line of whole house audio products and some of the technologies that make these products some of the industry's best. Um, Getting right into it, can you briefly explain the differences between the Architect series and the Director series of products and how integrators can use these various products in the field to maximize their fullest potential?
Well, Bob, I mean, whole house audio, as you well know, is in our DNA. It's what we've done for over 40 years. It's what our engineers do every day. The Architect platform and the Director are certainly two of our flagship product categories. The Architect is very simple, very straightforward. It's a multiple different channels, 2 channels, 8 channels, 12 channels, 16 channels, and it's really just a set and go. I mean, we sell, hundreds and hundreds of these units on a regular basis, that is designed to go into a project, deliver great amplification, deliver amazing sound, which they're designed to do, made here in the USA, and literally you leave the project and away you go. The Director is based on the same topology. It's based on the same amplification, the same great sounding topology, but it also has a fully integrated DSP with it as well. So it's a smart amplifier, works across multiple control platforms, has every sort of adjustment you will need in a location, in a house, in a commercial installation even. And again, based on our new Director 2.0 UI, which is really an award-winning design now for homes and for integrators. It's very simple. We've designed all of this to be very simple from a UI point of view, whether you're adjusting by zone, across different groupings. It's a beautiful platform for us to work on. So yes, smart amplification directors, and then obviously set and go architects.
Okay, another product line that AudioControl offers is the CM series of products. These products incorporate 70-volt technologies. What are some of the ways that integrators can use this product line in the field?
So the CM series, which we launched about a year ago from a point of view of informing the industry about it, is really going to be a revolutionary design. It's our own design. It's a hybrid amplifier. It's 70 volt as well as operating on 8 ohm, 4 ohm, and 2 ohm as well. It's the power levels go up to 750 watts per channel. There's a 2-channel version, a 3-channel, and a 4-channel. It's designed for outdoor audio, for resi-commercial, for any amplifications situation that you need in the house. There is nothing like this in the market today, Bob. Digital inputs, digital outputs, the actual quality built here in the USA. And like I said, we haven't really relied on a previously designed topology by somebody else. It's our own design. Our engineers, literally 30 feet from me here in Seattle, have designed this. We're going through final pre-production shipments at the moment. We have them live out in the market. And I am so excited about what this will do in our industry. It really also offers a real opportunity from a margin point of view, as well as an exclusivity to the CI channel. Many of our competitive products in this space are fairly widely available. This is designed especially for the CI channel. It's designed by the CI channel. A lot of our customers have been very involved in this, and there will be nothing like this on the market today. We'll certainly have it at CEDIA, and we'll be shipping in quantity from probably around September, October time.
Okay, talking about the music side of whole house audio, there's growing momentum with the streaming companies, including Tidal, Deezer, and now Apple Music, to offer lossless and high-res audio files as part of their streaming services. How does the AudioControl line of products in the various series complement these lossless and high-res services?
Well, number one, we work with all those companies. I mean, obviously, high-res audio for us is certainly the basis of what we do. I mean, that's what we're focused on, making good sound great. So what we allow, especially I think with the way we design our amplifiers, the way we manufacture them here in Seattle, is for a seamless transition of lossless audio through to the home. And especially when integrators are using higher performance speakers. Okay, I think one of the things I've heard all too often at times that we go into potentially rescue situation are great speakers that are playing lossless or Tidal or whatever the platform is, but really aren't getting the headroom they need. They aren't getting the performance they need. And it's really because they're being under amplified, you know, or it's a amplification topology that really just isn't up to being able to seamlessly transition lossless music through to good speakers. So, you know, we have, you know, obviously, as you know, we're speaker agnostic. You know, we don't manufacture speakers, you know, so we're able to work directly with, you know, high-end speaker companies right across the board, right, to make sure that our amplification is designed to allow lossless music, high-res music to be transmitted throughout the home in a way that I think most companies, if not all, find it hard to do today. So.
Okay, speaking of topologies, let's dig into the audio control under the hood of your product, so to speak. Your company recently developed its own Class D proprietary amplifier platform with 500 and 1,000-watt mono amplifiers. What opportunities do these products provide dealers who are installing whole house systems into their clients' homes?
Well, the RS series, so that's the one you're talking about now, the RS 500, the RS 1000. We had one of our engineers, literally probably 3 years ago, amazingly smart guy here, given a separate project, literally on the sidelines, to go and start to design a totally new amplification topology for our amplifiers, starting with the RS series. And that's really allowed us to create something that not just has power, but has the fidelity that we demand as a company, that we expect and we love, and we listen to every day. But we took that and really created originally a subwoofer amplifier in the RS series, but have found that the way that that product works for us, the way that it sounds, it's now getting moved more and more into whole house audio. Now, whether that's an outdoor solution, whether it's whole house, whether it's even, you know, across a theater. Now, obviously, subwoofer amplifiers tend to first and foremost go into theaters or media areas. This product now has gone throughout the home. Okay, we're seeing great success, and it's really down to the way we've designed it, the digital inputs, the outputs, and also the fact that it's a DSP product as well. It has our full directed platform in there as well. So the RS 500, the RS 1000 has gone way beyond our expectations at this point. You know, we thought this would originally be for primarily subwoofer applications, and it isn't. But it goes more than that. It really goes back to what we do as a company, and what I'm so proud about since I've been with AudioControl is just the engineering and the way our team just really just goes and thinks about and talks to integrators, and then just transmits and transforms this idea into something that goes beyond just another product. And the RS series has been incredible on that side. I see them being made every day in Seattle. I go to the factory multiple times a day. I see our team making them. They actually love manufacturing these. You know, we obviously, as well as you know, make pretty much assembling them by hand here. You know, we're also testing them here, and that's another big, I think, success factor for us is everything gets tested here in the United States, here in the factory, and the RS series is a great example of that. And it really allows us to have that extra touch, that extra feel, and I can tell you now, it transforms into extra reliability as well.
Okay, Alex. I want to move on to something that was recently announced by your company, AudioControl. You recently announced some new Crestron home drivers. Why are these important for AudioControl dealers to have as a complement to the Crestron home systems they're installing?
Well, we have a strong relationship, a strong partnership with Crestron. Obviously, they are, you know, one of the largest control companies in the marketplace, as everyone knows. The ability and the opportunity to integrate Crestron Home into all of our amplifiers was something that we started working with them on a few months ago for sure. Actually, during the latter part of last year, and we were able to put this through very quickly and really it's very simple. The key thing is it allows seamless integration with Crestron. Okay, and that for us was the initial aim. That was for Crestron in our partnership, the way that they wanted to obviously see it. We work very well together, as we do with many control companies. So it's really for the dealer who uses Crestron, it's a seamless integration of our high performance amplifiers right across the board. And it's been taken up really well in the first few weeks since we announced it. Certainly, we work with many companies like, as well as Crestron, like Control 4 and Savant and Elan and Crestron, obviously, as well as other control companies like Josh. So for us, again, being speaker agnostic, we're able to work with all of the actual key part for us. We have a team focused on that. But Crestron Home was a really nice addition to this, and we're really pleased with the uptick so far.
Okay, I want to look a little bit outside of your whole house audio products. AudioControl also offers a full range of, we'll call it traditional amplifiers and AV receivers. Can integrators utilize these products as part of their whole house audio system designs?
Yep, totally. I mean, our X and XR series on our theater platform has been an outstanding success, and we'll have some very exciting news at CEDIA this year for how that platform is now developing in a number of areas. So that's going to be pretty exciting in a few weeks' time. Certainly, you can integrate through second zone outs into a wider whole house audio system. So although most people will use those products in a dedicated theater or a media room, the ability through the second zone out allows you to start taking that into whole house audio. And obviously the control system can help facilitate that as well. Alongside that, I think our G4 amplifiers, and if you haven't tried the G4 amplifiers, then I mean, wow. I mean, just wow, wow, wow every day, I think, when I hear those products. The G4, which is our 5-channel, 7-channel, and now the 4-channel Avalon, are just a perfect solution being used right across the home today in different situations, and are a perfect high power, high performance, incredibly sounding. I mean, when I hear it, my heart just, you hear those performing in people's homes as well as here in the factory. It's incredible. I'm so proud of, again, a project that we started, probably that one about 2 to 3 years ago, launched beginning of last year, and has once again just gone beyond our expectations. So the G4, along with the theater products, yes, ideal for whole house audio, and some future things that we're doing that we'll talk about a little bit at CEDIA, and some things we can't talk about yet at CEDIA will take us into another whole realm there.
Alex, my final question, since we've covered the products, the various amplifiers and other solutions within the entire AudioControl product line, we've also talked about technologies and even control drivers. I think the final aspect we need to look at is what support mechanisms are you offering dealers in the field to implement these amplifiers and inspect the right product and other measures that they need in order for them to execute their installs proficiently?
So, Bob, really, this is one of the most important and pieces that I'm proud of in being part of the AudioControl family. I'm sitting here in Seattle, close to many of our dealers right across the United States and across the world. And I have manufacturing 30 feet away. I have engineering upstairs 50 feet away. I have supply chain. We have our customer service team. We have our technical support team. We operate everything from here. And that's a deliberate decision that we've made for many years. So whether it's our 5-year warranty, whether it's the reliability of our products in the field being amongst the best in the industry, whether it's to do with the fact that we have specification teams that help people every day, whether it's the fact that our tech team are on call and they're live people here helping our customers, whether it's the fact that our sales team, have done over 1,000 what we call ZAP calls, Zoom audio control presentations in the last 12 months, 1,000 plus people in presentations that we can do every day from here or live in the field as obviously the world opens up. And I think it's worth remembering that we are, as part of that, we're CI focused. We're not widely in retail at all. We're not working through mass distribution. We are CI focused. That's the DNA that we have. So I'm just really proud of all of the support we can do, whether it's training, whether it's specification, whether it's technical support, whether it's just being on the phone with our friends and just talking to them. And that's, again, another reason why I think CEDIA is going to be so cool this year, that we get to spend some time with many of our partners. So yeah, we're here, we're operating. I'm very proud. I go home every night and tell my wife how proud I am of our team and what we're doing. So we want to continue doing it.
Awesome. Alex, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to discuss with me the AudioControl whole house audio products, the services, and everything that you do for your dealers. I do have one final question. I want to sneak this in. Where can dealers go to find out more about AudioControl in its entire product line?
Well, certainly the website, which is, as you know, probably audiocontrol.com. Obviously, they can call us here at the factory as well at sound.great@audiocontrol.com. People can call me at 425-749-8465. We're really open, and that's what we do.
Thank you, Alex, and have a great day.
Thanks, Bob. Take care.